Okay. It's still below 80 degrees, which in my book is a good thing. All right, let's go check out to see what coffee is this morning. Ooh, chocolate coconut. Yum. All right, so this morning I put a little bit of oat creamer, brown sugar from Trader Joe's, a little bit of white chocolate syrup, and a little bit of coconut. And I'll see how it tastes. Ooh, it's good. All right, let's see what wine is for tonight. Still holding out for a red blend or a Pinot Noir. It's a white. And it is Sunset Peak. I have no idea what that is. We're gonna have to go look this one up. It's from Portugal though.
Made with a rare grape called Fernão Perez.
Okay, this one is a native Portuguese grape, and it's supposed to have honeysuckle, green apple, and lemon with creamy palate and a quiet, spicy finish, and pairing with vegetable lo mein, spring rolls, sushi night. Ooh, bruschetta. We do have bruschetta. I could pull the bruschetta out to try this. Or nachos. There it is. Oh no. Another one. Black truffle. All right, here we go. Oh, it's pretty good. Again, for you, I'm doing this. But when it comes up a second time, I'm not doing it. Black truffle. I don't think it's gonna be any better than white truffle. It already doesn't smell, it smells like truffle. Not as bad as a goat, but that's happened. All right, I can understand why they paired it. Quite honestly, it's not as strong as last year's white. Do I want to finish it? Not really. Could I? Probably. Instead, I'm going to try the bruschetta. I'm just going to try it just without on a cracker, just as is out of the jar. This is the one from Trader Joe's. That's a good pairing. Highly recommend it with bruschetta. All right. I'll let Evan taste this next, and he can have the truffle cheese. The wine?
No, not particularly.
Okay. Well, you don't like whites much anyway, but with the cheese, it's. I can understand why they did it, but I'm, like I said, it's not as bad as.
Cheese is good.
All right, you can have the cheese. Now also try it with this. I'm giving you it on a cracker.
It goes with the wine.
Yeah, I think it does go with the wine.
It's okay.
You like it better with cheese? Yeah, he likes it better with the cheese. All right, candles next. Ooh, it's a green one. I'm gonna smell it, see if I can guess again. Green might be balsam, I don't know. It's not balsam. No idea. I have literally no idea. Oh, eucalyptus. Doesn't smell like eucalyptus to me. Maybe. Not the eucalyptus I'm used to from like Bath and Body Works. All right, I'll still light it. Again, the throw on these have not been great, but they're pretty and I like them anyway. So, all right, that's it for day 8. So thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Give me a big thumbs up and I'll see you on my next adventure. Bye.